Congratulations on setting up an IDE. Right click on the desktop, select new folder. Once labeled the folder, right click, select your preferred IDE. Select new file. Make sure once you've labeled it what you like, there's the Python extension, py. Come down to the terminal and make sure Python3 is installed. This is a good sign. Visual Studio will prompt you how to install it. If not, exit out using exit parentheses, exit method, Python's exit method. If you're still struggling, python.org will have the information. We need to install Pygame. Copy over from the docs or type this command into the terminal. Paste it in. If you get any red warnings, try Python3, Python's package installer, install Pygame. To test it's working, they have a lovely demo. Headphone warning. And you're all set to go for lesson 1. Here's the code we will be running through. And here's our result.